Okay, babe, I'm going to try to walk you through this. So here's what you do. You have your drive open here, and then so when you're inside of your drive, you see all of your docs here. You can find a Word doc like this, and if you just hold Control and click on the document, it'll go open with, and Cloud Convert will be there. So you do that, and then Alt Shift F switches the screen. Alt Shift F. Alt Shift F. Okay, so I should be on this. Okay, here we go. I have to do a little shortcut to switch the screen because it only does tabs. It's weird. So then when you're here, your item, it says select files. So if you just have this open, you can select files from your drive already existing. So it's two different ways to do it. You could just open cloudconvert.com as the extension, and then you can select your files this way. But if you're already in your drive, you just click on a file like I showed you, and then it shows up right here. So it shows up as this type of file, and you want to select the format. So you want it to be turned into a PDF. So you have all these options. This is what I didn't know before. And so here is the file that we selected, that little PIP. That's my assignment that I have. I come over here and I'm like, okay, it's a Word document that's in Google right now. I want it to be a doc. This is the updated documents for Word. This is, I can turn it into a website, or I can turn it into a PDF. So if I'm doing that, all I would do is click PDF, and then it says ready. You decide where you want it to go. You can email it, you can save it to the file on this program, or you can save it to Drive. I always just save it to Drive because it shows up right next to the other document that you started. So you click Start Conversion, and shows you what it's doing. Please hold. Preparing the process. Okay, so now it's done. It says finished, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch back over to my drive, and then I'll show you where it shows up. Alt Shift F, and now you have a PDF there for you. Ta-da!